scan this. Sovi is here. Let's level up. Unemployment and participation rates look messy, but this one is fast if you sort who counts in the labor force and who does not. First, build the labor force. Full-time employed, 40 million, plus part-time employed, 20 million, plus people looking for work, 20 million, giving 80 million total. Discouraged workers and students stay out. Now find unemployment rate by taking unemployed people, 20 million, over the labor force, 80 million. That fraction is 20 over 80, which simplifies to 1/4 or 25%. Next, labor force participation rate is labor force 80 million divided by the civilian non-institutional population 200 million, which equals 40%. Well done! Option B. Scan now. Trap, rushing signs, or categories. Rule, trust the given groups and check each step before choosing.